let's get this party started. What is up? What is up? We are back at it again, checking out Bitcoin. Bitcoin had one heck of a day. It was up pretty big on the day. Let's check out the daily, of course. So daily, we are still not in overbought territory. I need to point that out every time. We are not in overbought territory. We did have a confirmed breakout. We also are back above our 200 daily moving average. This sent the signal to all of Wall Street. Bull market is on. So I'm pretty excited for where the prices are going to take us. We could expect a bit of a back test somewhere around this. Actually, from where we broke out at, we could come as low as right here, 63,616. It's a possibility. The reason why I say that is because we just broke out. We didn't backtest anything. But noted, if the traders really want to be mean, we won't get a backtest, which would be wild, but it could happen. Chewy, 10 milli. Yes, that is my goal. Talking to that guy in Discord. Yeah, it's my goal. It's been my goal. This is my goal for this bull run. 10 million. I'm going to do everything in my power to get there because, I mean, I won't have to do anything after that. like, I won't even have to think about it. I'll probably still do the channel. I'll still be spreading the good word because I actually enjoy this. But it's going to be also, I'm probably going to build out my gym because I want to see that built. That's going to eat up a lot of money. I'm not even going to joke around. I'm going to buy my land, but, you know, I got plans for it. But I got to get there first. So we stay focused. So right now we are looking at, still not overbought on the daily, could go up and test overhead resistance at 68,597. So that is one major thing. I really need to turn on multi-stream, and I didn't. Oh my god. Not like it matters. All right, we're good. There we go. All right, so yeah, you're gonna need 25 million to start a business and keep some for yourself. I mean, maybe. The thing about it, it's a gym. So surprisingly, gym overhead costs, they can either be a lot or extremely low. That's why CrossFit did so well. On average, each one of those gyms, they only cost, I think it was like $25,000 in total. So that's why you saw them pop up like wildfire. Very cheap to build out. But I don't want a CrossFit style gym. I want I want it to be the next, like, oh my god, you go to next level fitness? Oh shit. And I don't want it to cost as much as a lifetime. That would suck. Or as much as whatever crazy bougie gym is out there. I don't want it to cost that much, but I want it to compete with all of those. Or like an Equinox or something. I think that's more nationally known. Equinox. Anyways. Gotta focus in. Focus up. Alright, so we broke out of this downtrend. Now it's looking like we're going to consolidate just a little bit, but I'm still waiting on the test of our overhead demand line. If we can break that, then the party really is on. I know there are some people out there who do the charts and they're claiming, oh, we broke out already. I'm not in that camp. The reason why they were saying that was because they brought it down to, I think, this peak right here. Yeah, it was this peak right here. So this one right here. They ignored the peaks up here because we hit it here, and now it's like a confirmed breakout in their eyes. I'm in the camp that we're not broken out yet. I think we're close, but I just don't think we're broken out yet. Simply because we have this second high right here, and that's what I'm going off of. This high, second high, and we're still under it. So that's why I don't see it as broken out. Anyways, daily, you're looking pretty solid for a little bit more upside. Your 4-hour does look like it wants to cool off a little bit. So I think that's why we're seeing this red candle right now. But considering China is going out of their way to bail out their banks, I don't think this redness is going to last very long. And it's just a thought, but your 1-hour stochastics are resetting extremely fast. Your 15 minutes are flatlining. Like your stochastic is flatlining. You're almost in oversold territory on the 15. So I do think in the next 14 minutes we could start to see a little bit of a pop with prices. Could start going up a little bit. So we might have another evening rally. Checking your 5 minute, your 5 minutes ready to get the party started. So that's what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin right now. I am guessing that we could see a 3% rise. Once we get up here, it could get a little weird. So we're going to see what happens. Let's go ahead and check out the heat map real quick just to see what's going on with the leverage players. What is all of this pop-up? I hate pop-ups. I really hate pop-ups. All right. Checking out the leverage here. We smoked the shorts. Absolutely smoked them. But it does look like there's a little bit of liquidity up here. 21 million sitting at 66,562. Not sure who's deciding to short Bitcoin right now, but you know what? We thank them for their service. Then we have another pot. Wow, 48 million sitting up here at 67,289. So we do have a little bit of liquidity up there. Yeah, 67.5. That heat map, don't think even went that high. 67.2. So if it does get up to that 67.5, it's going to clear out the rest of this. And then we could be looking at 68.5 as the next target because that's where the liquidity is sitting. Other than that, all of our liquidity is down below us. So keep that in mind going forward. But I don't know who's trying to short the market right now. I really don't know. Let's check out total. We're going to check out the total crypto market cap. We haven't done this in a very long time, but I think it's relevant now. So, on the weekly, we have a confirmed breakout of the $2.16 trillion level. It does look like we are going to try and test the 2.411 trillion level on the total market cap. Okay. Total market cap is sitting in a bull flag. I didn't realize that before. That's kind of crazy. Sitting in a bull flag. That's insane. That is a gorgeous bull. Wow. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. If the bull flag plays out, we could see something kind of like this play out, where we would then see all-time highs on total market cap getting up to $3.393 trillion. It's kind of nice. Let's check out total 3 real quick. Breakout's still there, but we are being held down. Currently being held down by that 63.7 or $637 billion market cap. Checking out your daily. Daily still has legs. We are just now getting above that 200 simple moving average, and it's looking like we're trying to hold it as support. So the altcoins can continue the rally. Let's go, baby. After I'm done looking at these, we will be looking at where I can get into a trade setup on the Weeks Exchange. Weeks Exchange, we officially have a challenge started. The goal is to go from $27 to $40K within 8 trades. Wish me luck, everybody. Wish me luck. Anyways, BTC.D. Checking the Bitcoin dominance right now, seeing where that's at. Bitcoin dominance, it went up just a little bit, but it does look like we are trending down. So if we continue this trend down, we could see that alt season coming one day. But Bitcoin dominance still extremely strong. Extremely strong. But let's hope we keep getting held down by this resistance here. Because if we do, when we start trending down, the alts will run. And they'll run hard. Because a lot of alts, they are beaten down. They're beaten into the ground. So the rallies are going to be substantial. Yeah. Anyways, what had a pretty darn good day was the Dogecoin. So Dogecoin today, gotta check it out. You ended up hitting overhead resistance at 1179. Very nice. Still looking to test the upper demand line and then see what happens from there. If we can stay above 1179 for any period of time, we could see a rally all the way up to 18,124. We're just waiting. Your daily stochastic is telling us more consolidation ahead, but it's a meme coin. It's fine. It's doing well. It's doing well. It didn't drop, which is nice. The darling of the day was Bitcoin Cash. We were talking about Bitcoin Cash yesterday, but today it just shot up 15%. Absolute crazy rally out of Bitcoin Cash. And it broke its current demand line, and it's just sitting outside of it. I'm not sure where this thing's going to go because it does have overhead resistance right now. So maybe it just keeps hitting overhead resistance till finally it breaks through. But if you can get above 379, you're looking at 450 as your next target. So Bitcoin Cash looking pretty darn solid. Let's look at the ugly stepchild, Ethereum. Ethereum had a very good day today. Up 6.5%. Not bad. Still hasn't tested its overhead demand line yet. But when it does, maybe, just maybe, it could go up and test 2713. If we get above it, 3,351 next target. So Ethereum's looking pretty good. Just probably needs, got overbought on the 4 hour. It's cooling off right now, no big deal. But just like the rest of the market, these 1 hour time frames are resetting extremely fast. That's what's giving me the thought we're probably going to see a little bit of a rally tonight. Otherwise, tomorrow morning it could happen. But the 1 hours are looking pretty good. The 4 hours, they look a little overbought. But we can be overbought for days on end on the 4 hour. And it is what it is. Let's check out BNB token. See what it did. So BNB just kind of chugging along. Not really doing much. It was a pretty okay day, I believe. Still not as strong as most other things. However, back above the 200 daily moving average, held as support on the day. We were up 2.95%. Pretty lackluster. However, it is trying to make a rally up above all-time highs. All-time high is sitting at $722. And it's consolidating extremely well at these levels. So BNB might be looking good. And that also means some of the Binance Smart Chain tokens might get a little bit of a boost as well. So it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Let's check out Solana real quick. And then we will get into finding the trade setups. So Solana still sitting on that breakout, looking good, looking darn good. Not even close to being overbought on the daily. Let's check out your 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you can see you broke out, you traded sideways, and now you're starting to leg up. This is good to see. However, we are in overbought territory, so just cooling off the indicators, just like the rest of the market right now. Cooling things off. But our target, we're looking at 225 for Solana. 225, that is the goal. Anyways, now that we have done that, I posted about Near. I want to see how this thing is doing right now. So Near protocol, you can see we used resistance, flip to support, back to resistance. We have broken above it. We technically used it as support on the 1 hour. Maybe we come down, test it again, confirm that level as support at $4.86. Could possibly be an entry. Because Near is set up to go to $6.77, which from where we are sitting at this very moment, you could be seeing a 37% rise. 37%. Not a bad trade setup. And the reason why I posted it is because on the 4 hour, you broke out, you held. Now it looks like you're trying to break back in. Wouldn't surprise me if the market starts going up. This thing breaks out with a vengeance. So, Near protocol, my eyes are on you. I see it. Hopefully it starts going to the promised land sooner than later. Of course. Wow, Link is up 2% right now. Might have to pay attention to Link. Anyways, let's switch over to this watch list. Oh, let's check out how Ave's doing. Ave doing great. So, looks a little bit like Nier right now, but Ave, you got the break. You were holding. You came down, tested your 100 simple, and then you just came out of there. So, I'm kind of hoping that Nier does the same thing. If it does, great. We're golden. Send it. Ave is coming up to its first profit-taking level at 171.90. Second level you're looking at is 202. Ave looking good. Now let's look into some of the coins that I really want to trade, like rats. Damn. Okay, rats. I really want to get in on rats, but I would feel much better on a back test of this previous demand line. So if we can bring this price all the way down here, I would feel really comfortable getting into a long to then ride this puppy up if we get that back test 28%, which I do believe that 28% could play out within 1 to 2 days, which would make me extremely happy because that would be trade number 1. The goal here, $27 to 40K within 8 trades. Extremely hard to do if the market's not moving, but if the market's moving, it's kind of easy and it can happen quick. You just got to get your entries right. So we are going to put an alert right here. So I want to know about it, and I want some time to get into it. So if we can get that back test, that'll be fantastic. Now let's check out Loon C. Posted about this yesterday as well. Had a pretty good day. Pretty good move. You did fall below. You came back up. If we can get at that back test, we could be seeing a little over a 31. So maybe, 33% upside move on Luna Terra Classic. It's one of those risky ones. Pi. Wait, hold on. Is Andy on here? No, it's not. All right. No worries there. No worries there. Okay, so we're looking at Pi now. Did I not look at this particular chart? I looked at this one. So you can see we did have a confirmed breakout on Pi or PP or whatever this is. If we can get a back test, if we can get this back test, Pi, PP, poo, I don't know what this thing is, but you could see a 58% rise. Sign me up for that bad boy. Sign me up for that bad boy. That would be a really good entry. I mean, like a really good entry. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour. Let's see what this thing's really looking like. Ooh, your 1 hour is almost setting up for a glory. We're about to close out our 4 hour candle. That's why I'm really diving into these because God, they look good. They look really good. And this little meme coin, what's its market cap? Come to think of it. What just happened? There we go. Wow, low market cap, 69.1 million, and I can leverage this thing? Pretty disgusting if you ask me. Wow, that's it's only a $68 million market cap. To go up half, that's kind of easy. It's kind of easy. But this is the Chinese Pepe, so we're expecting Asian pump of this token. That's what we want. The Asian pump of this token. I guess it's a bad thing. We're kind of rooting for the Chinese government to just keep throwing money out there. Oh well. Is what it is. Is what it is. I don't even know what this banana token is. I honestly don't have a clue what it is. What's the downside here? What's the downside? Ooh, that's a lot of downside. 5%? Yeah, I gotta wait. Too bad. Too bad. Let's check out AVAX. Is AVAX going to actually get a back test or what? Like, if AVAX can test 28.14, that would be like the ultimate entry, because you're looking for AVAX to then run up to 39.14. Today, it just seemed like whoever was trading AVAX was trying their hardest to not let it move. Like, they were holding it down. I think it only moved like 0.7%. It went nowhere all day. Just nowhere. Did not break its 200 daily. Didn't even touch it. like look at the daily candle here. 0.03 positive on the day. That's all it got. It's kind of rough. Kind of rough for AVAX, especially with them being the only gaming token with a console game. They're the only ones. And they got muted out like this. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. You want to know who had a great day, though? Big Time. Big Time had a really good day. Up 15.5% on the day. Awesome. Book of Meme, too. It's still running? Wait, we're going to look at Book of Meme. What? Book of Meme. Book of Meme. I don't think I have all the data here. Hold on. Gate.io. Nope, we do have all the data here. Okay, it doesn't matter. That's actually insane. Alright. So, Book of Meme, you can see it broke out and it just took off. Do you guys think it's going to test the demand line or what? Or is this thing just gone? Like, sayonara. What do you guys think? That was a great breakout. Is this a wedge? Is this a wedge? It's a wedge? We have a measured move for a Book of Meme? Who would have thought? Wherever it backtests at, 116% move to the upside? Sweet. You are overbought on the daily, but it's a meme coin, so it kind of doesn't matter. Let's go down to lower time frame. See what the 4 hour. You are flatlining on your relative strength. Your stochastic. You're pretty overbought, but they're still buying. That is wild. It's just a straight line up. Gotta love meme coins. Gotta love meme coins. I didn't even know that it had a perfect breakout today. That's crazy. And it all started from this like tiny little higher low situation. That's what we call strength. That's very strong. Now, if you can come down, hold support, that will be phenomenal for entry. Phenomenal. Rats is not going down anymore. PyPy is not going down anymore either. That's how you get baited into trades. That's not good. It's not good. For this challenge, I gotta make sure that I don't get baited into trades. Like this is a strong bait right there. Coming down to your 15-minute, you might be able to make a little scalp trade. I still don't like that. All the hidden bearish divergence, I don't like that. A little more of a pullback would be nice. On your 15, you just lost your supply line that you were holding. Now we gotta see what's gonna happen. Are you gonna continue rolling over? That's a shame. Gotta be careful of that hidden bearish divergence. Gotta be careful. Always look for it. See, Rats. Rats looks better. Rats looks better. Is it testing it right now? It's testing it right now. Oh no. I might not get my entry on Rats if this thing holds. Oh no. Super low on the stochastic. Let's check the 5. Rats might hold. It's showing hidden bullish divergence on the 5-minute. Oh man. Let's check the 7. It's low on pretty much all time frames for the short term. Pretty much all short term time frames you are low. So Rats actually could possibly try to rally from here. I'd prefer if it did. Okay, we're finding that resistance. That's good. That's good. Yeah, your 4 hours still kind of high, but it could run. It very much could run. All right, so we do have it posing it. Jeez, it's just this stupid candle there, right there. So I guess we have to wait and see for rats, but rats literally could rally from where it's at right this moment. The possibility is there, so we have to be mindful of that. What other coins can I trade in here? It keeps going to Caddy. I know I can trade Caddy. Oh, Caddy actually broke above resistance. Let's go, Caddy. Let's come back to the 4 hour real quick. See if you backtested it. You did backtest it. Oh, and you're right above your 50 simple? Holy moly. Caddy might be the play tonight. What's the downside here? 2.89? Caddy might be the play tonight. Caddy is another meme coin. And it has the most amazing website I've seen out of any meme coin, if I'm being completely honest. It actually is like an amazing website. It looks great. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I was thoroughly impressed with their website. Caddy, Catizen, website. Let's check out this website. This thing is crazy. So, play for airdrop, heal the world. Come on, load in. Load it in. This website is crazy. So we scroll down. We get to start flying through the crowds to the Catizen city. We scroll down, and then it starts taking us like into the city. This thing is cool. So, mini games, 12-month gamers, multi-chain. I mean, I don't even know why you can play it on Ton. I didn't realize it's a game on the Ton network, but sure. But yeah, as you scroll, it just takes you to different parts of the map. This is the most interesting website I've ever seen out of a token. Maybe it's not a meme. Maybe it's actually a gaming token, but this thing is cool. The website alone made me want to invest in this thing. You got staking in here, premium project launches and everything. You got games in here, Google Cloud, OpenAI. There's Catizen AI even. So they're jumping on all fronts here. It's looking pretty solid. Looking pretty solid. Yeah, anyways. I like their website. I really like their website. Now, if they could just give me a good entry, we're cooking. They can give me this good entry. Just hold support down here. That would be great, because we could be seeing a 51% rise. I think this is the only token I saw in neutral territory on the 4 hour, though. Huh. We'll figure. Your 1 hour's bouncing on the 200 right now. It's not bad. Oh, wait. We have a supply line. Oh, shit. I didn't even realize that. There it is. Oh, we broke below it? Come on, man. Oh, maybe not. We're testing it right now. Let me make sure I got this line right. 9:10. I gotta send a text real quick. I gotta send a text just to check in on 2 of my clients, make sure they're doing their workout. Alright, we're good. Alright, maybe we do take a chance on this. I just don't like that we're breaking the breaking the supply line right now. I really don't like that. But it's argued we're holding it. So I do kind of have to wait. Let's check your 15. Let's see how the 15's looking, which might give us a better, clear view of it. It's a chance. It's a chance. You know what? We're going to take the chance. We're going to take the chance. We're going to go 15x leverage. We're going to isolate it. So isolated. Good there. Leverage 15. The fact that I can 100x this thing, are we for real? Ridiculous. That is ridiculous. I could 100x this thing? I shouldn't be able to 100x this. What's its market cap? 128 million? No, I shouldn't be able to 100x that. That's irresponsible. That's terrible. Anyways, we're gonna market buy this one. Open the long. We're going long, baby. Alright, first ever trade on the week's exchange for me. Historic event just happened. Now, how do I put in stop losses? Adjust leverage. Don't want to do that. Auto margin. No. Where? Closing price. Reverse flat. What are we doing here? There we go. Stop loss. If the market. Okay, sure. Don't. I understand. I get it. I get it. Market price. So, stop loss. We're going to have a very tight stop loss because I don't like to lose that much. I guess we're going to have our stop loss right here. 4538. 453. You know what? 4535. We go right there. 4535. 4535. Alright, so we are risking 22%. 100%. All of it. All of it. Okay. There's our stop loss. Confirm. Confirm. Okay, I get it. Jesus. Now take profit. Alright, so to take profit, we're just going to look at the next level, which we are looking at the 67.43. So let's see if we can make this happen. 6743. 6743. So if this actually plays out, we could be looking at a 696% move. Which would, oh gosh, so sad when you see that. Alright, so it would yield us $189 in profit off this $27 trade. I can't wait till that number's bigger. Can't wait. But confirm, stop it. I understand. Okay. Alright, so we have our... Where does it say where our stop loss is? Oh, it's on there? Is it on there? Is it on there? Realize P&L margin. I don't know if it's on there. The fuzz. Normally it would tell me if it's on there. Normally it would tell me. I don't know if it's on there. That makes me really uncomfortable. Like really uncomfortable. Oh no. Margin ratio. Okay. We're currently down 1.74%. That's fine. You can add to it? That's crazy. add margin. No, I don't want to do that. Did it do it? I don't even know right now. 4601, 459. Okay. At least the prices are close to each other. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it did it. I'm not sure. Hopefully it did. But Catty, the trade is in. We're hoping it holds because that was a decent pullback. And, oh, it looks like we're starting to get some bids. All right. Good to see that. Good to see that. Now we're in the profit. Barely, but we're in it. So what's this? Flash close. Order will instantly executed. Best available price. Okay, so it's a market close. No big deal. I really want to, like, I would love to see my stop loss. That might drive me nuts. Oh, open orders. Okay, here they are. Trigger. Here they are. Thank goodness. Okay, I can see them. I feel more comfortable. This is good. This is good. All right. Anywho, let's check in on Near Protocol now. Now that I have figured out weeks, I feel good about it. Big Time is starting to move also. Damn. Hopefully I don't miss out on Big Time again. Oh, the whole market's starting to wake up right now. Okay. All right. Dogs is up 3%. Let's go. FTM had a really good day too. What? We're trying to find Near. Kava's back to 35 cents. Pretty excited about that. I'm pretty excited about that. Been hanging on to Kava for too long. Alrighty, checking out Near. You can see we're starting to catch some bids. This is positive. This is very positive. So as long as we can stay above that $4.86 level, I think the breakout is safe, and I do believe we could be seeing a rally all the way up to 677. This could be very nice. What is up, Max? Hello, welcome in. I put in my first ever trade on Weeks. Weeks is officially into, we are going to try and do some stuff on it and make some dough. Challenge mode, baby. Challenge mode. And then after that, we're going to go challenge mode for BitUnex. BitUnex. Are we dumping? No. I would not say we're dumping. This is definitely not dumping territory. This is just consolidating and letting indicators reset. That's all it is. So let them reset. Let them do their thing. It'll be alright. I believe the rally is going to continue. I was watching George earlier, and he ended up posting a very interesting chart. It was showing the weekly Bitcoin like average gains or something, and I guess for the next 8 weeks it's the most bullish 8 weeks out of the year every year. So yeah, history's on our side. We should see a bit of a rally based off that. It'll be nice. I'm more or less looking how much we're going to rally because of the stimulus that China's doing. But then on top of that, we have like McDonald's coming out in their earnings call explaining how people don't have money. So we know Fed rate cuts are probably going to be a little bigger than we expect. That's going to be fantastic. And I'm here for it. I am here for it. Bring on the cuts, baby. But yeah, if we look at what Bitcoin just did based off a fib retracement level, it basically just pulled back slightly. We could have even gone a bit deeper, coming down to 64,985. Just haven't seen it yet. And then continue the rally straight up to resistance. So basically what we're seeing out of Bitcoin. But the fact that every, like, the 1 hour and the 15 resets so aggressively just lets me know the rally is still on. The rally is still on. But, you know, we could just wake up tomorrow and be down 7%. You never know. You never know. Crypto's crazy. Crypto's crazy. But I'm currently not trading Bitcoin. I'm just kind of watching it. I think the altcoins have way more upside in them than Bitcoin right now. And it's because Bitcoin's going to rally. So I'm just trying to find the opportunities where they're at. Trade that we just entered was with Caddy, because we have this beautiful supply line that just got formed while breaking up, not only breaking above resistance, but then backtesting as support before continuing the rally. This is why I jumped into this trade, and it does look like we're about to hold support. So very simply put, you break this line, get out of the trade. Long and short of it. But we are aiming for 67 cents, which from where we are sitting at this moment, 45% upside. And I'm on a little bit of a 15x leverage long, currently up 7%. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm also in the near trade. I'm down on near, but I think near is about to come up. Down on near by 28%. That's no big deal. I think this needs to refresh. Hold on. I know I'm not on 20x. I think I'm on 15. Yeah, I'm on 15x leverage. We're down 28%. No problem, man. No problem. Oh, yeah. Remember how I made that video about Jupiter? Well, Jupiter did something today, and it was really good. Jupiter was up, what, 11% or something? It's just moving its way on up to that 99-cent level. Looking good. So I posted a video, I think, down here, and it just rallied straight up all day. Pretty happy about it. We do have overhead demand line that's a little above that, this 37% range. So, yeah. So Jupiter's doing things, which Solana should be following right behind it. Solana had a pretty decent day, but I do think Solana is going to continue its rally very heavily. Checking out Kaspa. Kaspa just doesn't want to test any resistance, does it? Does not want to test a resistance. Holy moly. Didn't even come close. What are we doing, Kaspa? The Caspians. Oh, Chili's got the breakout. God, I missed it. Dang. I missed the Chili's breakout. Damn it. But yeah, so Kaspa's still sitting pretty. You are above this weird little local level of support that, hey, even if you come down to touch it, as long as you don't break this red line right here, you're sitting pretty on Kaspa. It's just going to take a while. I don't know why the Kaspa traders are allowing it to take so long to move, but it's okay. It is all right. All right, let's take a look at Chili's. Chili's actually broke out, and now I'm sad. We did not get a back test. We've been respecting this former demand line that we fell below. Now we're just bouncing off of it and running. That's so annoying. Oh, man. So you can see you got the break, you held, and then you just started going up. Aiming for 932, but if you break that, I'm pretty sure it has a lot of upside after that. It has a lot of upside after that. You could be looking at a peak or something. Hold on, let's go out to the weekly and find out. I guess we have a pocket right there. 1028. Gonna have to get these other levels real fast. So we can see the resistance here, the support here, support. Candle high closes were right here. That's why I put it there. And then support, and then we fell through. Now it's looking like we could possibly just go out there and test it as resistance. But yeah, we got that pocket right in here, which could be a consolidation range. So we're going to see what happens once we get there. But it's looking pretty solid right now. Looking pretty darn solid. Coming off your lows. soon as you break that, you're looking at another pocket. Yeah, it's another pocket right here. I don't like all those pockets. Those pockets are so frustrating. Actually, it's a little bit higher, so let's just say it's right here. Yep, right there. So that'd be a great next stop for you after the rally continues. So if you were trading this, you would be looking for something like around here to here. So maybe you get a 30% rise. And then you'd be looking for like an 81% rise. When there's so many levels, it's hard to know where it's going to stop. So you can take profit at each one of the levels. It's just, I'm just going for the higher level on it. Honestly, I would just be going for the higher one. 109%. Could see the rally coming. And the wild part is these altcoins, they can do this like before the end of the year. So that's kind of why I want to focus in on the altcoins so much, because these altcoins, when they run hard. The caddy trade looking bad again. Looking bad again. Dang it. Gosh dang it, caddy, stop it. Stop looking terrible. Start looking good. Go to the gym. Get a spray tan or something. I don't know what you need to do. We're still up 4%, so it could be worse. Near Protocol catching some bids. We're only down 22%. As I said, it looked pretty good. Jasmy had a pretty decent day, catching some bids. Jasmy's a weird one. So Jasmy, a lot of times, you'll have no idea that it's moving. And then all of a sudden you go check on it and it's like, oh, it's up 30%. You're like, where? When? I didn't even get alerted. What? Nobody looks at Jasmy. Nobody. But from us finding support down here, once again, the target is 35% upside, testing this upper demand line. Jasmy's still looking pretty sauced up. Pretty caked up out there. Okay. I haven't looked at Injective in a while, so I just kind of clicked on it to see what it was doing, and wow. Wow. Full breakout. Been broken out. God, am I getting tired already? I'm so old. Wow, the breakout in the back test, and you... Wait, is that hidden? Holy shit. Well, hold on. Is that lower? Nope, that double bottom. Sheesh. Injective looking phenomenal for upside. Holy crap. I mean, you got the break. You got the test once, test twice. Now you're starting to move. And you're above resistance. Very easy to put a stop loss right below 1979. I mean, your next target, you're... Injective looking super strong. Who gave Injective steroids? It's not cool. It's not cool. 2778? And you gotta just consider this 2340 as maybe you run into a little hiccup. Because that's what you did here. You've held it as support, hit it as resistance. We'll just mark that as yellow. Huh. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then in reality, you break that. I mean, you're legitimately looking for $40. That's... Yeah, $40. Wow. Kind of amazing. Dogecoin going positive again. Who's letting the dogs out right now? Who's letting the dogs out? Because they're running. Oh, what's that song? It's like the dog's running. And it's a country song. It's actually not a bad song. I should learn the title. Should learn the title. I guess if the dogs are running, the cats are going to go hiding. Maybe I made a poor choice of choosing Caddy. Maybe. So Injective, we could see an 8.97 to a 28% rise. 4 hour has nothing but room to run. Okay, let's check the 1. 1 hour still above its 50 simple moving average. Injective actually looks better than my caddy trade. $15 trying to push back up. It looks better than my caddy trade. Caddy's trying to pull back right now. Just scaring me. Whereas Injective just looks like it wants to go. This is the fear. The fear is I'm going to wake up and be stopped out. I'm going to be so scared. Losing 20%. But yeah, so this is what I'm seeing out of the markets. I found my trade for the night. I'm in Caddy, and I'm in Near. Wish me luck on these trades. I am expecting Ordi, Rats, Sats, STX to do some real running. Gala was having a fantastic day. I did take profits on it because I am an impatient one. Is what it is. I took another trade out on it live. I took profits again. So let's clear that up. Took profits on it twice. And now I'm in the Near trade. Ordi does look like it could be running a lot. I mean, when I say a lot, I mean like I was talking about it breaking resistance at 35.76 yesterday, and it's only gone up since then. Your target's 49.16. If you weren't listening to me over here, I doubt you'll listen to me up here. It's fine. Just know I said it. I said it. The Near trade also looking like it could print some money while we're sleeping. So that's why I'm in the trade right now. The fact that we got above that local resistance, we're holding above it. We did have the breakout, pulled back in. I'm thinking we're about to break out again. Just needed to reset some indicators. Got to keep your eyes on that 1 hour. Because that 1 hour, it resets fast. But it'll go up fast too. And then you know another pullback is coming, which those aren't fun. Catches you off guard a bit. But is what it is. Anyways, y'all, I'm going to get some sleep. I'm going to do my best to be here for market open. No promises. Okay? No promises. I'm going to try, though. I was exhausted today just for you guys. Just for you. Anyways, all jokes aside, I'll catch you later. Hopefully you guys are making some gains in this market. Keep your stop losses tight, and if you're not a part of the Discord yet, jump into the Discord. Also, check the links down below. Join the exchanges using the referral links. That would be phenomenal. It does really help the channel, especially considering we are so far from being monetized. It's unreal. Thank you to the new subscribers. We did break 300. I believe we're at 303 subscribers. Y'all are absolutely amazing. Thank you. On the road to 1,000. Everybody here before 1,000, you're the real ones. You're the OGs. I appreciate you. Peace, Chewy. Peace, Max. Y'all take it easy. Have a good night. And, yeah, catch you later. Deuces.